Good morning, OG gang. Welcome to all the new members and welcome to the real people who have been here from day one. Big up yourself. So, today I'm going to challenge myself to survive off 500 Jamaican dollars while I'm on the road today. So, that will be about from 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. So let's see if I can get something for breakfast, lunch, and a snack or snacks in between. Oh, and there's a catch. I can only purchase items that start with the letter P. P as in Pat? Yes. So if you're interested to see what I get, please stay tuned. Alright guys, so I made it on the town. So the first thing that comes to mind is to go to Juicy Patties and hopefully they still have porridge. So that would be our first pea porridge. So let's see if I can get that. But nice. I have the porridge with fried dumpling, but fried dumplings don't start with pea. So let's see. Thank you. 160 breakfast. Peanut porridge. $100 for pound. Alright. So I had my porridge and now I feel for a piece of papaya. So I'm gonna have that right now and then lunchtime I'm gonna try and get a patty and then me see how much left out of the $500. This is good. Alright. We'll check you guys back when it's lunchtime. We got choose for rain. Afternoon rain. Anyways, so because of the rain, I don't really plan to go far. I'm going to try to link up the corner shop here. See if I can get a patty and head back on my merry way without getting too wet by these vehicles. So let me hear how much this corner shop here sells patty for. Everybody knows the patty gone up. Our 180 and 100. 180 almost $200. So let me hear the price at this shop. Alright guys, so I got a patty, $200. So let's do a recap. This morning I got a peanut porridge and that was $160. I got pawpaw or papaya and that was $100. So from 500 that leaves $240 and I got a beef patty for $200, so that leaves $40. So that was how I spent the $500. $500 today. So challenge accepted and challenge was done. Yeah. So I felt survived off $500 today. Yes, I did it. And you may be wondering what I drank. I drank water. I carried water from home, what I normally do, so that was beverage for today. So I did it. I did that. Tell me what you would purchase with the letter P if you were to do a $500 challenge. If you like this video and you would like to see more, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you would like to see more of these vlogs.